How to update Edits and Instagram app on your phone. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure that you've already installed the Edits app. If you have, launch the app on your phone. Now, in order to update this app, inside this app, you won't find any option to update the app from here. So in order to update this app, what you can do is you can head over to your store. Once you're in the Play Store, tap on the search bar and search for the Edits app. In the search results, you will find the Edits app and tap on it. After you are in this app description page, now if there is any update available for this app, instead of this open button, you will see the option to update. You can simply tap on the update button and this app will be updated successfully. You will get all the changes and latest edition of the app by doing that. So that's it. That's how you can easily update this Edits app on your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.